Goed zo, Reisje. Braaf. But I thought I wanna lunch Reisje because tomorrow something is happening. But I tell you later. And today the dentist comes for the horses. So I thought first I wanna lunch Reisje.
Kijk.
What happened?
Ja, dat vertellen ze er nooit bij. Ik ga eerst een gebit doen. En dan haal ik dat losse stuk eruit.
Ja.
En dan gaan we maar eens even exploreren wat er nog overblijft, hoe dat eruit ziet.
Ja. Hebben we geluk?
Dat gaan we nu zien.
Sally. Reina.
En wolfskies.
Peach. Hey, Peach. Hey. Oh, sorry, I don't have any pellets. Hi. Well, today the dentist was here. And she did Peach. No. Okay, they have hungry. They wanna have hay. She only does it when she sees the camera. And Glendy and Daisy weren't necessary, so we didn't do them. Blomke and Boukje, we didn't do them. They are still young. And we didn't do Belle. But we did Yveske. And when a horse is 3 years old, they start changing their teeth, 2.5 years. But she didn't change any of the teeth. So only the sharp kiezen molars. Now she has its leg. But Yveske had wolfskiesjes they took out. Hey, Rijntje. Rijntje was okay. Only the sharp pieces in their mouth were done. Sally. I'll go to Sally. No? Do you come? Come. The vet said, Sully is a bit too fat. So, sorry, Sully, you have to eat less. But Sully has always a bit problems with her teeth, and we helped her, and now it's good again. And Sully has one teeth that go out. No. Over there. Can you see? So there's one teeth missing because last year she had een gatje erin. So they took out the teeth, but that looks very good. And then we have Reina. Reina has also very good teeth, just like Rijntje. And then we had Reisi. And I don't know what Reisi did. Come. Can we take a look? Please. Oh no, don't bite. Wait a moment. Reisi broke a teeth. How? How did you do it? What happened? Oh, then I wish horses can talk. So you could tell me. Hey. So, this week we have to go to the clinic and then they treat him. And hopefully that's it. Just a piece of teeth come off. What are you doing? And that's it, hopefully. Always something going on with the horses. I don't like it. But keep smiling. Don't bite. Hey. Hey, Reina. Reisi. Rijntje. Sully. Reina and little sisters Boukje en Yveske. Bella en Blomke. Hey Reina. Hi there. I'm planning to do something right now. And yesterday morning I thought I'm going to do something with Reisi, but that changed a bit because of his problem in his mouth. So now I do something else. I'm with Tayarijn. Hey. And I thought I'm going to ride. Here we are at stal G. Goed zo. Dolly. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. And Elske. And now I'm going to ride Reina. Hey, come on. Okay, I am riding Reina and the fillies are playing. Now they don't. Left is Yveske and Boukje. And here Bella and Blomke. Hey. No, please. Well, Raina did great. Every day she learns a bit more. Goed zo. Braaf. Kom maar. Hallo? Kom maar. Oké, dat is Rijntje. Hallo? Oh, oh. Oh. Braaf. Oh, oh. I thought I want to look at Rijntje again. Oh, my. You can still see she's lame. Yes. Stappen. Oh. Please. Oh, oh. Oh, rustig. Rustig. Oh. Goed zo. Rijntje. And I thought I make a new braid. But I thought I can stand here or I can sit here. Like this. So I can take out the braid and I can comb a bit. Finally, sit on Rijntje again. So this way I take out all the loose hair, but I can't reach that. When her head is up, it's okay. But yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But when it's going down, I can't reach it anymore. Ja, goed zo. And it's too long. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Oops. You're a bit chubby. Yes, you are. Peach and Ryan. This is the second time she wears a saddle. So, perfect. Well, do you like it, Ryan?
Ja.
Ta-da! Goed zo, Ryan.
Ja.
Perfect. Well, what did you do?
Ik zie het op Peach te rennen.
Dat ging echt super goed.
Ja.
Glendy.
Yes.
With a lot of hair. coming out. Always. That's Blomke. En Boukje. Yveske. Sally. Rijsie. Bella. Rijntje. Hey, Reina. Oh, your bucket. So I made this for her. And that's because... Here you. She is digging holes. I don't like that. No, I don't like that. Hey, Rijsie. Hey. Well, in about 2 hours, I have to bring him to Wolvega, to the horse clinic. And that's because his teeth. Always something going on. I like horses.